Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do freeform gradients in Adobe Illustrator. Let's jump right into it.
Get right into it. First off, click and hold here and grab the ellipse tool. You can apply these freeform gradients in any shape you want. So it doesn't have to be a circle. I'm just going to show you how it works with some circles. Alright, so we have our circles. And instead of changing the fill color from here and making it whatever color you want, you're going to click on the gradient and then click over here for the freeform gradient. You're now going to click. These dots are the different colors you're gonna put here. So you double click and you change the color to whatever color you want. Let's say I want this like this. You can just double click and change the colors. And let's make this blue. You can also move their position around. So if you don't like where you put them, you can just move them around. You can change color how many times you want if you don't like the color you picked. The cool thing you could also do is you see this circle around it, you can make it bigger or smaller and it'll make the dot expand. And that's basically it. You can add how many dots you want. And you can apply this to any shape you want. So that's basically it. It's so easy, but it gives such a cool and modern effect to your stuff you create. It's so cool.
Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these tutorials you see over here. And take a look at my new shop, Margheritavox.com. I'll put everything in the description down below. I love you guys and I'll see you soon.